I will start from Nikiuka, who has been learning about the Web3 implementation, because so far she was doing everything on the Web2, and right now we have all of the Web3 functionalities, so I asked her this week to really go through all of them, get as much information as she can, because there is no, like, Web3 is really easy. If you know very well Web2, like she knows, Web3 is really easy as far as you properly understand the basics of it. So that's why I told her, okay, next 2 weeks I want you to fully focus on Web3 and just making sure that all of the functionalities that we have already implemented, that you understand how they work, why they work, what has been used to implement them, and make sure that you will know how to use them in the future. And also I gave her 2 tasks to make sure that she understands and she knows how everything works. So she has another week to really do those tasks. They are very simple tasks. It shouldn't take her much time, but she really needs to understand the base of it. I also told her to do some changes in the UI, some simple stuff in the breaks between learning. In terms of Nella, she had an accident at the beginning of the week, so she was working only 3 days, and during those 3 days, well, on the whole week I had a different task for her, but during those 3 days, I told her to just make sure that she correct the new UI for the whole registration process, so she knows exactly what is in that registration process on the business side. In terms of Fortune, he's been finishing the white paper page, where I would like to have it on our website so everyone can really go there, and I don't have to give them the PDF, so everyone can really go to the link and read through it, through every single really level that they want to. Quiz. So I gave Chris the new task this week to implement the pie chart and the budget. So right now we have the cash flow, which is the main part. But because we were waiting for Nordigen to, fix all of the stuff, which is the main thing this week had happened, we couldn't really do anything because Nordigen Algo Cardless wasn't working properly. So by Thursday it was all released, well, fixed. On Friday we could actually manage to do all of the stuff that we wanted to do from the beginning. And so Chris has really simple task to just implement the pie chart UI and pie chart functionalities and the budget UI. So that has been done. Ravin has been working on the research in terms of how we're going to implement the languages into the application. Also, he's been working on the correcting the UI of one of the main sections, because I updated the UI a little bit, so it's a little bit more wow and like nice for the eyes and for the future users. And also he was researching how we can implement the Rust into the mobile application so we can actually run our own identity. Then Shivam has created and updated different APIs, as always, for mobile and some for the web. Enrique is still working on the digital identity. He's hopefully writing the code for it and trying to figure out how we're going to really implement all of this stuff. So he's also creating the whole architecture. Me, myself, the whole week I managed to contact 54 investors, had 3 meetings that you can really watch during the previous videos. I couldn't contact more because I don't have more contacts on my LinkedIn, and I couldn't invite more people because LinkedIn blocked me. So yeah, those conversations were really nice. I'm still in the chat really with 2 investors. I have 2 meetings this week. And that's what really happened this week. I guess that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. If you don't, let me know. Thank you very much for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.